Okay, so sometimes when we do charting, it's so that we can compare different calculations against each other to get an idea of which one might be the best. Now, what we have here are about 4 different kinds of depreciation. We've got the declining, the double declining, the sum of years, and the straight line. And you can see them all laid out there. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this based on these guys over here. And these are some of your more popular depreciation type calculations. And we're just trying to get a sense of, okay, which one's going to maybe allow us to write off more, maybe in the beginning, but maybe towards the end it might be a little bit different. So maybe, being the accountant that we are, and we're trying to figure out the best way of depreciating the most, one that makes the most sense, we can take a look at something like this and get an idea of what we should do for our clients. So with all that, all right, so we'll go back over to our first sheet here. And what we'll do is we'll select the year and the first one there. Hold down the control key. We'll select the second one, the third one, and the fourth, just like that. Once we've done that, we'll go back into Insert. We'll go to our lines. We'll do this one here. Click onto it. And then we'll kind of drag that out over here. Maybe pull it down a little bit. And there it is. I mean, pretty straightforward. Now, I can click onto here. Go ahead and go up there, hit my equal, and I can click onto that and hit the enter key, and we got that. All right, so pretty much it. I mean, I could probably also put the legend at the top. I think that might make a little bit more sense. All right, and then we'll go back here again, and we're going to go ahead with the axis titles. And I can put on over here that's already selected, I can put something like maybe depreciation dollars. All right, got that in there. That's good. And then down below here, we just need to do that. We can just call that one years. And there we go. Now we've done that, we can actually even go in and play with this a little bit and go with some different data. So we can maybe go over here to the cost, the salvage. Let's just say that this new one we're going to be doing, let's say that has a cost of, let's say, $2 million. And the salvage on it maybe is $25,000. And we've got 10-year life. There it is, everything all changes. So it looks like, I would say, that the declining balance is probably the best up front because you've got so much, more over the first few years there, and then it kind of goes below the other ones, but you're writing off quite a bit, in the beginning there. So if that's economical for you, if that's a good idea, that's what you go with. Of course, you got to, go with the laws, I guess, but other than that, it gives you a pretty good idea there. So great little tool there. So hopefully this will give you some ideas about how to use your charting beyond what we've been doing all along. Appreciate you watching the video. Take care.